Hello, viewers. Today we are flying you to Amsterdam. This city is off the chain. The energy, the canals, those bikes that seem to appear out of nowhere. We're diving headfirst into the Amsterdam experience, and you're coming along for the ride. Get those notebooks out because I'm hooking you up with the top 7 things you absolutely cannot miss when you're conquering Amsterdam. Trust me, after this video, you'll be booking your ticket faster than you can say stroopwafel. From historical hotspots to straight-up chill vibes, I've got you covered. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get this Amsterdam adventure started. First up, no trip to Amsterdam is complete without a visit to the Anne Frank house. This place, man, it'll hit you right in the feels. It's more than just a house, it's a piece of history that will stay with you. Walking through those cramped hallways and that secret annex, you can practically feel the weight of history on your shoulders. You can practically hear Anne's voice, her dreams, her fears. It's heavy stuff, but it's so important to remember. And that's what makes this place so special. Make sure you book your tickets online in advance. It's super popular for a reason. Next stop, the Van Gogh Museum. This place is a total mind-bender in the best way possible. You'll be walking through like this timeline of Van Gogh's life through his art. From his early works to the iconic sunflowers, it's like stepping into his brain. And let me tell you, that brain was something else. The way he used color, the brush strokes, it's like nothing you've ever seen. You really feel the emotion pouring out of every canvas. It's powerful stuff. And hey, even if you're not an art buff, you got to appreciate the genius of Van Gogh. All right, time to hit the water. A canal cruise is like the ultimate Amsterdam experience. You got to see the city from the water. It's a whole different vibe. These canals, they're like the arteries of Amsterdam, connecting everything. You'll cruise past charming houses, cute bridges, and all sorts of cool stuff. It's like a city tour on cruise control. Grab a drink, soak up the sun, and just enjoy the ride. Trust me, it's the perfect way to relax and see the city. Pro tip, go for a sunset cruise. The views are epic. Okay, need a break from the hustle and bustle? Hit up Vondelpark, Amsterdam's green oasis right in the heart of the city. This place is huge, people. We're talking acres of green space, ponds, bike paths, you name it. It's the perfect spot to just chill out, people watch, or have a picnic, catch a free concert in the summer, or just lay back and soak up the sun. It's like the whole city comes to breathe in this park. Don't forget to grab a stroopwafel from a street vendor before you head in. All right, back to the culture trip. The Rijksmuseum is a must-see for any art lover. We're talking Rembrandt, Vermeer, all the Dutch masters under one roof. It's like walking through an art history book, but way more exciting. The Night Watch by Rembrandt, that's like the star of the show. It's massive and powerful, just like Rembrandt himself. But seriously, spend some time getting lost in all the art here. It's a crash course in Dutch culture. And hey, if you're into selfies, the Rijksmuseum has some pretty epic backdrops. Now, let's take a stroll through one of Amsterdam's most charming neighborhoods, the Jordaan district. This area is a perfect blend of the old and new, with its unique boutiques, cozy cafes, and art galleries. The streets here are lined with picturesque houses and canals, giving you a real taste of Amsterdam's historical charm. But it's not just about the looks. The Jordaan district has a rich artistic vibe, making it a haven for creatives and history buffs alike. You can spend hours just wandering around, discovering hidden gems at every corner. Whether you're looking to shop, eat, or just soak in the atmosphere, Jordaan is a must-visit. Last but not least, you gotta hit up the Albert Seewep Market. This place is sensory overload in the best way possible. We're talking food stalls, clothes, souvenirs, you name it, they got it. It's the perfect place to find a unique souvenir or just soak up the local vibes. Get yourself some fresh stroopwafels, try some Dutch cheese, and just wander around. It's the perfect way to end your Amsterdam adventure. And hey, don't be afraid to haggle a little. It's all part of the fun. So there you have it, my top 7 things to do in Amsterdam. This city is truly one of a kind. From the canals to the museums to the parks, there's something for everyone here. If you enjoyed this video, give a solid and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more travel adventures. And let me know in the comments what your favorite thing to do in Amsterdam is. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, peace out.